Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Clipchamp and creating a project. This gets you into the editing workspace immediately. Import your video or audio files and drag the primary clip onto the timeline so you can access its audio controls. Once the clip is selected, make sure the audio waveform is visible. This lets you spot noisy sections visually. Now go to the Inspector or Audio tab so you can apply noise reduction tools. You're ready for the first cleaning pass. You'll use Clipchamp's audio tools next. Select the clip and open the Audio tab in the Inspector. Turn on Noise Reduction or Background Remove. This removes steady hums and room noise by analyzing the clip. Then adjust the intensity slider gradually. Higher values remove more noise but can thin voices. Make short previews after each change to compare because hearing is the best judge. If you overdo it, back off the slider and try a lower setting for natural tone. Once the bulk noise is gone, refine the sound. Add EQ to boost 4K HC for vocal clarity and reduce low-end rumble with a high-pass filter. Use volume automation to smooth loudness changes and split out noisy segments for targeted processing or replacement. When satisfied, export with a high audio bitrate to preserve quality. If background noise persists, try re-recording or apply a third-party denoiser. And if export sounds different, recheck project audio set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.